commissioning this neonatal unit sponsored by Rotary Club of Kasese Snow Peaks and Winchester in the United Kingdom.
Okurugirira har Dr. Lois Kabyanga oryo muhwezi w'irwaro erya Rukoki General Hospital yashobora ngo irwaro rere rikatunga abana basya abarukwingana 2023 mwaka guhuire nkonko muri yaba abinje muri bakandi bendo bujanjabi obwo mutano.
Others are due to prematurity, they are delivered before their time when they are supposed to really come out. Others, they have really reached the time when they are supposed to be delivered, but they are delivered with very small weight, simply because we have a number of mothers who give birth when they are very young. Yeah, we have mothers who deliver some at the age of 12, some at the age of 13. And so a small mother of 13 may not be able to carry a very big baby. They end up giving birth to very small babies.
Dr. Lois Kabyanga yayongere yashobora ngo okuzarwa kw'abana batashikirengergira abo kugira ngo abana bakutware ndo mu kicweke cy'imbaba batakakize emyaka kandi yagira ngo abishiki abari hagati y'imyaka 13 14 hamwe 16 nibo barakukizayo kuzara ahirwareri.
Save a life, and the government of Uganda, we can do much. We can do much with your support. We want to thank you for all that you have spared to make sure that you come and see what we do here, and also the support that you always extend to us through the good people that we have on the ground.
Owe bine kigenderwa cyo kureba ngo batunga obuhereza ari abana barga kuzarwa Rotary Club ya Kasese Snow Peaks ekwatanise na Rotary Club ya Winchester ku United Kingdom barga yo bashobora ngo hari cyetengo ecyo kongera obuherezana n'obujanjabi ahirwa reri na mnonga habana abarga kuzarwa omuri bintu bimwe ebihirwe yahirwaro erya Rukoki General Hospital kandi barirwe mu sente za miliyoni zirkwingana 129 harimo ebintu ebitebekanisiwe kurebera abana baheza kuzarwa incubators 5 patient monitors 3 silinda ya oxygen emwe hamwe na radiant warmer emwe.
We did this not just to deliver the equipments but to deliver hope to the mothers who give birth to the infants who may not have reached the level of getting out of their mother's wombs. And therefore, it is also still a journey that we are still on. That after these equipments, we still hope to make sure that this neonatal unit is at the level of a neonatal unit.
Kandi omukongero buhereza aba Rotary Club bongire bahereza na sente zo kombeka ecombeko cyo kureberamo abana abaheza kuzarwa. Umuringo ngogumwe o Rotary District Governor ahabwa Uganda hamwe na Tanzania Damurira Mukasa Daniel ashaziremu yagira ngo kigenderwa cyabe cyo kureba ngo bayongera obuhereza no kugira ngo amagara gatandika nabo abaheza kuzarwa.
And life begins at this age. People who come out when they are not yet ready, people who are born with some issues, and we must protect them at that younger age. So I want to thank the Rotary Club of Kasese Snow Peaks for identifying the need in this hospital and taking action.
Umuringo ngogumwe orumukuru w'entebe ya katano ahagwa district ya Kasese Elifaz Muhindi Bukombi hamwe n'umuhwezi wa RDC Lieutenant Mate Magwara bargire basime bitongorebi okwirikangirira amagaraga abana hamwe n'amarwaro kandi bagira ngo baza kongera ubushagikiyo kureba ngo bareba umuri yebye bizubu ebiri kuteganisirwa reri nabo babikoraho.
That's why you see we are putting up a maternity ward which is being done by UPDF Brigade, and we hope soon to be completed. But the NICU is still a small entity where we still need government to come in and our development partners. And we are happy you have already started the journey with us. I hope you will not forget us.
By 1986, there was a high infant mortality rate, very high. One of the highest in the region was in Uganda. There was a high maternal mortality rate. Now, in trying to address the two, government has had programs like immunization.
kandi ehuriro egi ebiire yegisirwemu okukwatanisa kwa Rotary Club ya Kasese Snow Peaks, Winchester Rotary Club kuruga mu United Kingdom, Mountain Girl Initiative hamwe n'abantu ba burijo batireho agabo. Gasha kwa Mate Isaac abwatayariwe.